Sally called when she got the word. She said, I suppose you've heard about Alice. So I rushed to the window and I looked outside. I could hardly believe my eyes as a big limousine rolled up into Alice's drive. Oh, I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got her reasons, but